Introduction to Project Management. Project management is a critical discipline that involves planning, executing, and overseeing projects to achieve specific goals within a set timeframe and budget. It is an essential skill across various industries, from construction and engineering to information technology and marketing. Whether you're new to the field or looking to enhance your understanding, this introduction to project management will provide a comprehensive overview of its key concepts, methodologies, and best practices. What is project management? At its core, project management is about applying knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities to meet the project requirements. A project is a temporary endeavour designed to produce a unique product, service, or result. This temporary nature means that every project has a definite beginning and end, and its uniqueness implies that the outcome is different in some distinguishing way from all similar products or services. Key components of project management. 1. Scope. The scope of a project defines what will and will not be included in the project. It outlines the project's boundaries and specifies the deliverables. 2. Time. Time management involves scheduling all the tasks to ensure that the project is completed on time. This includes defining the timeline, deadlines, and milestones. 3. Cost. Cost management is about budgeting for the project, ensuring that all tasks are completed within the allocated budget. 4. Quality. Quality management ensures that the project's deliverables meet the required standards and satisfy the stakeholders' needs. 5. Human resources. This component involves managing the project team and all the stakeholders. 6. Communication. Effective communication is critical to ensuring that all stakeholders are informed and engaged throughout the project lifecycle. 7. Risk management. Identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks that could impact the project's success. 8. Procurement. Managing the acquisition of goods and services from external sources. 9. Stakeholder management. Identifying and managing the expectations of all stakeholders involved in the project. The project management process. Project management typically follows a structured process, divided into 5 phases. 1. Initiation. This phase involves defining the project at a high level, including its purpose, objectives, and feasibility. Key activities include developing a project charter and identifying stakeholders. 2. Planning. Detailed planning is crucial for project success. This phase involves creating a project management plan, which includes scope, schedule, cost, quality, communication, risk, and resource plans. 3. Execution. During the execution phase, the project plan is put into action. Tasks are assigned, work is performed, and resources are utilised. Effective team management and communication are critical during this phase. 4. Monitoring and controlling. This phase runs concurrently with execution and involves tracking the project's progress, ensuring that it stays on track and making necessary adjustments. Key activities include performance reporting, quality control, and change management. 5. Closure. The final phase involves completing all project activities, obtaining stakeholder approval, and closing out the project. Lessons learned are documented for future reference. Project management methodologies. Several methodologies provide frameworks and processes for managing projects effectively. Some of the most popular include 1. Waterfall, a traditional linear approach where each phase must be completed before moving on to the next. It's best suited for projects with well-defined requirements and a clear scope. 2. Agile, an iterative approach that focuses on flexibility and customer feedback. Agile methodologies such as Scrum and Kanban are ideal for projects with rapidly changing requirements. 3. Scrum, a subset of Agile. Scrum divides projects into small iterations called sprints, typically lasting 2-4 weeks. It emphasizes collaboration, team roles, and regular progress reviews. 4. Kanban, another Agile methodology. Kanban focuses on visualizing workflow, limiting work in progress, and enhancing efficiency. It uses boards to manage tasks and track progress. 5. Lean, a methodology focused on maximizing value and minimizing waste. It aims to deliver products or services more efficiently by eliminating non-value-adding activities. 6. Prince2, projects in controlled environments. is a process-based methodology emphasizing business justification, defined roles and responsibilities, and managing project risks. Tools and techniques. Effective project management relies on various tools and techniques to facilitate planning, execution, and monitoring. Some commonly used tools include 1. Project management software. Tools like Microsoft Project, Asana, Trello, and Jira help manage tasks, schedules, resources, and communication. 2. Gantt charts, visual representations of the project schedule, showing task durations and dependencies. 3. PERT charts, program evaluation review technique, used to analyze task sequences and estimate project duration. 4. Critical path method, CPM, identifies the longest sequence of tasks that determines the project duration. 5. Risk matrices, tools for assessing and prioritizing project risks. Best practices in project management. 1. Clear objectives and scope. Ensure that the project's goals and scope are well defined and understood by all stakeholders. 2. Stakeholder engagement. Regularly communicate with stakeholders to keep them informed and involved. 3. Realistic planning. Develop achievable timelines and budgets based on realistic assumptions. 4. Continuous monitoring. Regularly track progress and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. 5. Risk management. Proactively identify and mitigate risks to minimize their impact on the project. 6. Team collaboration. Foster a collaborative environment where team members feel valued and motivated. 7. Documentation and learning. Document lessons learned and best practices for continuous improvement. Project management is a dynamic and multifaceted discipline that requires a blend of technical skills, strategic thinking, and effective communication. By understanding the key components, processes, methodologies, tools, and best practices, aspiring project managers can navigate the complexities of managing projects successfully. Whether you are managing a small project or a large-scale initiative, the principles of project management provide a roadmap to achieving your objectives efficiently and effectively. Project management methodologies. Project management methodologies provide structured approaches to planning, executing, and completing projects efficiently. Each methodology has its unique principles, processes, and benefits. This article explores 4 popular project management methodologies: Agile, Waterfall, Scrum, and Lean, highlighting their key features, pros, and cons. Agile is a flexible and iterative approach to project management that emphasizes collaboration, customer feedback, and small incremental changes. Originating from software development, Agile has become widely used across various industries. Pros. 1. Flexibility. Agile allows for changes and adjustments throughout the project lifecycle, accommodating evolving requirements. 2. Customer satisfaction. Regular customer feedback ensures that the end product meets user needs and expectations. 3. Improved quality. Continuous testing and integration lead to early detection and resolution of issues. Cons. 1. Scope creep. The iterative nature can lead to scope expansion if not managed properly. 2. Less predictable. Frequent changes can make it challenging to predict timelines and budgets accurately. 3. Requires discipline. Agile requires a disciplined and collaborative team to be effective. Waterfall. Waterfall is a traditional linear project management approach where each phase must be completed before moving on to the next. It is well suited for projects with well-defined requirements and a clear scope. Pros. 1. Structured approach. Clear phases and milestones provide a structured path to project completion. 2. Easy to manage. Defined stages make planning, tracking, and managing the project straightforward. 3. Documentation. Extensive documentation provides a clear record of the project's progress and decisions. Cons. 1. Inflexibility. Changes are difficult to implement once the project is underway, making it less adaptable to new requirements. 2. Late testing. Testing occurs at the end, which can lead to late discovery of issues and increased costs. 3. Not ideal for complex projects. The linear approach may not suit projects with high complexity or uncertainty. Scrum is a subset of Agile that focuses on delivering small increments of work in fixed-length iterations called sprints, typically lasting 2-4 weeks. It emphasizes collaboration, team roles, and regular progress reviews. Pros. 1. rapid delivery. Frequent sprints ensure regular delivery of functional product increments. 2. Team collaboration. Daily stand-up meetings and sprint reviews foster team communication and accountability. 3. Flexibility. Scrum's iterative nature allows for quick adjustments based on feedback and changing requirements. Cons. 1. Intensive. Requires significant time commitment for meetings and reviews, which can be demanding. 2. Requires experience. Teams new to Scrum may struggle with the discipline and self-organisation required. 3. Scope management. Frequent changes can lead to scope creep if not managed effectively. Lean is a methodology focused on maximising value and minimising waste. Originating from manufacturing, Lean principles are applied to project management to enhance efficiency and deliver value more quickly. Pros. 1. Efficiency. Focuses on eliminating non-value-adding activities, streamlining processes, and reducing waste. 2. Continuous improvement. Encourages ongoing assessment and improvement of processes. 3. Customer focus. Emphasizes delivering maximum value to the customer with minimal resources. Cons. 1. Requires cultural shift. Implementing Lean can require significant changes in organizational culture and mindset. 2. Initial implementation. The initial setup and training can be time-consuming and costly. 3. Not one size fits all. Lean principles may not apply uniformly across all types of projects and industries. Choosing the right project management methodology depends on the specific needs and constraints of your project. Agile and Scrum offer flexibility and rapid delivery, making them suitable for projects with evolving requirements. Waterfall provides a structured approach ideal for well-defined projects with clear objectives. Lean focuses on efficiency and value, benefiting projects aiming to minimize waste and maximize output. Understanding the pros and cons of each methodology helps project managers select the best approach to ensure successful project outcomes. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.